Is your Brawl Stars game stuck on maintenance break, stopping you from the brawl? Let's fix that in under 90 seconds. First, force close the Brawl Stars app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and hold, then swipe the Brawl Stars app upwards to completely close it. On other devices, locate your app switcher and manually close the application. Next, head into your phone's settings. Find the general setting on iPhones or app management or similar option on Android devices. Tap on that. Now locate Brawl Stars in your list of applications. Tap on storage or cache, depending on your device. Clear the cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the problem. Do not clear data at this point, as that may delete your game progress if not saved. Toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your device's network connection. Double-check your date and time settings. Make sure they are set to automatically update to your current time zone. Incorrect time settings can interfere with the game server. Finally, head to your App Store and check for any available updates for Brawl Stars. Install the update if one is available. If it says open, then you have the latest version. Relaunch Brawl Stars. You should now be back in the game. If the problem persists, Brawl Stars servers may still be under maintenance. Wait and try again later. Now get back in the brawl.